Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to cook a fresh lobsters to the boiling pot. And so I have what's this? Boiling water here. I already put salt in this, and I have fresh lobster here. See. I'm really sorry, lobster, still moving. I put rubber on the claw so it doesn't get you. Look, still moving. I'm really sorry, and I have to cook you, okay? So I have to remove the rubber from the claw, and then after that, I'm going to put that in the boiling pot of water. Hello, Kira. Kira's still up. Going to wait a second, Kira. And each pound, you have to cook it for 7 minutes. This is
7 minutes.
Yeah, this is might be 1.5 pound. I still stick in my oh, yeah, she let it go. I'm really sorry, lobster. If you can see that, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Then, so each pound is 7 minutes, and you have to add an additional 3 minutes after it reached the time of cooking. Okay, so I'll be right back to you once it is cooked. Actually, I already have cook here. These are the cook lobsters. Okay. It's not a party tonight. It's not a party today. It's just I'm making something special. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe, comment, and like the hit button. Okay? Bye-bye. Good night.